new plant.
This is Bob's planting pot. He got it as a gift. He already had 4. And this one is his 5th. Here he has some seeds. He will sow them in a pot. The seed will take days to sprout. He peeks at the pod. The sun shines and the rain falls. The seed finally sprouts. Looking at the tiny plant, little Bob is so proud. All he needs to do every day is sprinkle some water. But Bob feels talking to plants helps them grow better.